What's up? What's up? It's your boy Saucy Rossy, the Canadian king of backyard barbecue. This is my offset smoker that I started on. Guys, it was small. A lot of people tease about the size of offset smoker, but I wouldn't change it for a thing. I'm now running a much larger smoker that you can see here, and guys, it is wicked. But overall, this is where I started. This is how I learned everything. And in this video, I'm just going to chat about all that. So make sure you like and subscribe. You guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy. As you can see here, this is a Dynaglow Signature Series offset smoker. You originally buy just this piece in the chimney, then you have to buy this firebox extra. Then you attach it all together like it is an offset smoker. And by doing that, that's how you get this set up. Now, as you can see here, this firebox is pretty legit. It has this flat top piece that you can set cast iron or any kind of pan that, fits flat on there and that can absorb the heat. And you can even do up sauces or get whatever you're cooking seared off. It's really neat. That's why I really, really like this barbecue. I mean, you can see here too, it's got the shelf and it has about enough space to fit 2 briskets or like 6 pork shoulders, maybe 4 or 5 racks of ribs, and 2 or 3 chickens on here, spatchcocked. There's a lot of space for the price you're paying, which is around $1,000 total after everything. Now, I know that is a high price point for barbecue, but for an offset smoker, that's kind of where the entry levels start. That's what sucks. I don't really know how to say that any other way. Entry level for an offset smoker is really expensive. And even drum barrels are almost coming around $2,000 these days after tax. If you're getting one of those ugly drum smokers, a barrel smoker, those charcoal grills that you see in my competition videos, I don't know what to say, guys. The price of steel has gone up. So you can find this online. And again, this is not an advertisement. I just bought this and want to recommend it because I genuinely liked it. As you can see here, this thing was about, I don't know, $1,100 after taxes. But since then, I've leveled up. Let me talk about that now. And now, guys, I have a big offset smoker like this. I'm pretty stoked on it. This is my custom built R&R Smoker 250-gallon offset smoker. It's built by R&R Smokers, like I said. They're based in Quispamsis, New Brunswick, local to where I live. They do great quality craftsmanship. I love the way this operates. It's super easy to balance out that heat. But this isn't an advertisement. This is just me showing off the fact that I have a barbecue I love using. And that's what's important. When you get yourself a barbecue, find one that you love. There's so many different shapes, sizes. It might not even be an offset smoker. It might be a grill, something high heat, maybe a different type of low and slow, like a cabinet or something. Who knows? But I think you should explore all kinds of different types because you can really go a long way. Anyway, guys, hey, I love barbecue. You guys know what's up. It's your boy Saucy Rossy. If you're still here watching this, I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Oh, bud, comment below how much you love barbecue and what your favorite type of barbecue is, and I'll be all about it. Hell yeah, guys. Take care, stay safe, and we'll be chatting soon.